Video closeout report for the Fund-8 project Carbon ERC-20 converter to Cardano. Project ID 8000062. This video walkthrough shows the testnet and mainnet minting and burning done for this project and the infrastructure created as a part of it. GitHub code and documentation are also referenced and easily accessible from our website. If you go to our website www.blockcarbon.io, you can find a new tab for the dedicated ERC-20 converter landing page that serves a convenience purpose and also allows embedded scripts to connect to the user's wallet project or remix environment. The GitHub repository with all documentation about possible paths to convert legacy ERC-20 tokens, including gating, White Fountain, and the Milkomeda Cardano EVM Layer 2 network, are referenced and accessible from the main Blockcarbon GitHub or directly through the link behind the OctoCAD icon. The GitHub documentation gives more background about the motivation behind ERC-20 converter to Cardano, the intended workflow and steps required, along with code for deployment or customizable smart contract templates in Solidity. The easiest way to implement your own ERC-20 conversion project is to clone the repository using your terminal as shown here. Simply copy the link and clone it inside your project folder. To familiarize yourself with the features, we highly recommend using the available testnets like Sepolia or Girly on the Ethereum side, Mumbai for Polygon, Preview or Preprod on Cardano at the time of recording. We have done all the test transactions on Sepolia and Preview, and the footage would be from these networks. There is also a mainnet Blockcarbon token that has no actual value and sparse metadata that our partner projects can use to familiarize themselves with the real production setting that takes a lot longer and is more finicky than testnet and should be used as the next step before involving real-world projects and carbon pools. After you have cloned the repository, you can proceed to use the project any way you like, but the easiest way is with Remix and injected Web3 to connect to MetaMask and obtain a proof of burn to unlock your Cardano native token airdrop. Click on Upload Files and select all the Solidity files you require. Red and Red Plus are provided for convenience to replicate the Sepolia mint we carried out for a MOS or token lookalike ERC-20 project that is burnable. After compiling, head to Deploy and Run Transactions for the injected Web3 MetaMask deployment. This part would in the real world be handled by a TypeScript deployment using Hardhat or Ganache, or your preferred stack like Python and Brownie, etc. Code samples are available for all these implementations on the Blockcarbon GitHub. Burn, lock, and conversion logic smart contracts are available for projects that want to explore the ERC-20 converter burn and mint path. You can see an example here of the preview testnet minting transaction for a native Cardano CIP68 asset corresponding to the Red Plus Sepolia ERC-20 token.